Hey, it's Bey and welcome back to another Best Tech video. In this series, I talk about products that I personally use. For February, I'm going to be showing you some awesome tech for under $200. As always, make sure to check out the description because I'll have links to all the products I mentioned in this video. I'll also leave a link to the playlist so that you can watch my other Best Tech episodes. While you're down there, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. First up, I'm going to be showing you my most favorite bag ever. This is the Nutsac Magsatch. This is an everyday carry bag that can fit an iPad Pro 10.5 inch for perspective. It's a very high quality, well made bag and it comes with a lifetime warranty, which is just amazing. The Magsatch, I would say, is their medium sized bag, but they also have bags that are smaller and larger than this one to fit your needs. They even have a price transparency portion on their website that shows you the cost, labor, and markup that each bag has, which is just amazing. Anyways, it's been over 10 months since I've owned this bag and it has held up very well. The bag's exterior is mostly made out of waxed canvas and there are parts of the bag that are made out of leather. The whole bag is very durable and it will develop a really nice worn out look over time. The logo on the front of the bag is made out of leather as well and I just love it. You also got leather zipper pulls and part of the hand strap is made out of leather. This bag is called the Magsatch because of its magnetic closure. I really like this type of closure because you can easily access your belongings. On the inside, you have two compartments that you will use to hold your stuff. I like to use the smaller compartment to hold my passport and boarding pass when traveling. The main compartment will hold the rest of my stuff like my wallet, phone, power bank, etc. In the main compartment, there is a zippered pocket and two pouches to further organize your stuff. You can actually hold a good amount of stuff in this bag and it's great. I highly recommend purchasing any bag from Nutsac if you're looking for a new everyday carry bag. The next product we have is a wireless Bluetooth speaker that I have been using for over 2 years. This is the Bose Soundlink Mini II and I absolutely love this speaker. It's been everywhere and abused, but it's held up very well and the sound quality is just amazing. As you can see, the cover that I have on it is yellowing, but I'm not sure if it's because of the plastic or if it's because it's dirty. Anyways, on the front and back, you have the grills where the sound comes out. You have your micro USB input for charging and aux port on one side, and on the bottom you have this large rubber pad to help keep the speaker in place. On the top, you have your controls. There is a power button, volume up and down buttons, Bluetooth button, and the multifunction button right in the middle. You can use the multifunction button to play and pause your music, as well as activate your voice assistant like OK Google and Siri. Whoops, accidentally activated it. The bass is very deep and punchy considering how small the speaker is. The sound is super clear and the speaker actually gets really loud. You can easily fill up a fairly large room with the Soundlink Mini II. I absolutely love the sound quality of this speaker and it's definitely one of the best speakers in its size group. You can play any genre of music and it'll sound great when playing through this speaker. Next, we have my favorite pair of over-the-ear headphones. This is the Technica ATH M50x's. I bought these headphones about 2.5 years ago and like the products that I previously mentioned, this pair of headphones has held up great. Just so you know, the Earpads are not the ones that came with the headphones. I replaced the stock Earpads with these purple ones from Brainwavz. They're super soft and comfortable, but we're not here to talk about the Earpads, so let's move on. The construction is mostly plastic with the M50x's, however, it's very durable. It's also adjustable and very flexible, so it can fit on pretty much any head size. You can also rotate the ear cups 180 degrees horizontally and 180 degrees vertically. The sound quality is amazing and the sound stage is flat. That means that the M50x's are a good pair of monitor headphones and I use them a lot for editing my videos. However, you can use an equalizer to get more bass if you wanted to. The sound quality is very clear and the M50x's has pretty good noise isolation as well. I really like to use these headphones for travel. You get 3 different cables in the box and they are detachable, which is pretty cool. The headphones fold up to become more compact and you get a pouch to hold the headphones and cables in. If you're looking for a new pair of headphones, I highly recommend this one. Believe it or not, we have another Bluetooth speaker. This one is a little bit different though. This is the JBL Pulse 3 Bluetooth speaker and what sets this apart from other speakers is its built-in light show feature. There are currently 8 light show modes that you can look at while you're playing music. If you connect the Pulse 3 to the JBL Connect app, you can further control the light show modes and you can even select the color you want using the camera or the color wheel, which is pretty amazing. You can also connect multiple JBL speakers together to have an amazing listening experience. On the back of the Pulse 3, you have buttons for your controls. Also, you have your micro USB input for charging and the aux cable under this flap. The flap helps give the Pulse 3 its IPX7 water resistant rating, which is just amazing because you can actually submerge this speaker underwater up to 3 feet. The sound quality of this speaker is amazing as well. It has 360-degree sound, which is great, and it gets loud enough to fill up a room with ease. The bass is great even at louder volumes, and the mids and highs are very clear. If you want to learn more about the Pulse 3, check out my video review on it. I'll leave a link in the description, or you can click the card on the top of the video right now. Last but not least, I want to just give a quick mention to original grain watches. This particular watch isn't under $200, but they do have other watches and bracelets that are $200. If you're wondering, the one I have here is the Whiskey Barrel Black. Anyways, these watches are very well designed and made. They're handcrafted with wood and steel, which is really awesome. There are no two pieces of wood that are the same, and that means that each watch will be unique. Many of their watches are made with mineral crystal glass and have a Japanese Miata quartz movement. Their watches are made very well, look amazing, and it will definitely add style to your outfit. That was this month's Best Tech video for February 2018. If you have enjoyed, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. If you didn't enjoy, please leave me a comment saying why. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!